it's Sarah Sargent, and today I'm back with another makeup video. And today we are going to be dipping into Sugarpill's Little Twin Stars palette. If you guys want to find out what I thought of this palette, was it a hit? Was it a flop? You guys are just going to have to keep watching. Alright, so diving into Sugarpill's Twin Star palette here. This is like the cutest packaging, but Sugarpill always has the cutest packaging. So let's take a look inside of this. So these are going to be the colors inside. Some baby pinks, baby blue, a copper, and a gold. And then, I don't know if you guys can see this, I don't want to blind you, but right here on the mirror are the two little twin star characters as well. It's so cute. I think I'm definitely going to do a look obviously inspired by this color family right here, like a pink and blue look today, hence the pink hair. And I think I'm going to start out with this matte turquoisey blue color right here called Star Ribbon. And I'm just going to take my big fluffy brush and I'm just going to sweep that throughout my crease. Okay, so one swipe through, this is a very sheer color. This is definitely going to have to be built up, which I think is a little different from my experience with the other Sugarpill shadows. Usually they are so pigmented, it's crazy. I do have primer down as well. I'm starting with my base and my eyebrows already done, and I did put down some Too Faced Shadow Insurance. So we'll just keep building this up and see what happens. I'm gonna take my flat paddle brush and go in with that Star Ribbon color and try just patting it down to see if we can get a little bit more color payoff with it. So it looks like you can definitely build it up doing it this way. So I'm gonna get it kind of stamped down as much as I can and then go through and blend it back out. Okay, and I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it seems like anytime you just touch it, the shadow just kind of dissipates. You know, I have to be honest with you guys, I'm not really feeling this color. I mean, it's totally gorgeous in the pan, but it really just does not perform well on the eyes, which is crazy because, I mean, every Sugarpill shadow that I've ever touched has been just amazing, so it's kind of strange. Alright, I'm going to try going in with this color right here called Cloud Maker, and this is a like metallic silvery pastel blue color, and I am going to take my paddle brush and just try laying this down on my lids. Wow. Again, I'm not too sure about this. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but the color payoff is really not happening. I mean, I guess you can layer it. I'm able to layer it a little bit. This is the third time now that I've gone in with this color, but it's kind of chunky and it's not really laying that smooth. I just blended a little bit more of that Star Ribbon color in with that silver, and I mean, you can't even tell that I have the silver on my eye now. It pretty much just brushed everything away. Alright, I am going to go in with my Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner now in the color Deja Blue. This is just this nice pastel periwinkle blue color, and I'm going to put this in my waterline and smudge it into my lashes. Alright, and now I'm going to go back in with this Star Ribbon color and just press this along my lower lash line and blend it out. I'm hoping that this eyeliner has created some sort of base for this color to stick to, so hopefully it will give me a little bit more of a pop of color than it did on top. Alright, so it stuck a little bit better to the lower lash line than it did to the top for sure. Still not that like huge pop of color that I would expect out of Sugarpill, but definitely better than the top. Okay, so that's it for the blue colors in this palette. I think I might put down some of this Stila glitter eyeshadow just because this is not really cutting it for me. This is the Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow in the color Freedom, and it's pretty similar to the Star Ribbon color. Okay, that just livened up the lid a little bit more. Again, it's a very similar color. It just gives it a little bit of dimension. All right, next up I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These are some Sugarpill lashes. The style is Lullaby, and they are just nice full lashes that have a nice flare at the end of them. All right guys, so I have the lashes on. I went ahead and also put some mascara on really quick. I just used some of IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I just put that on the top and my bottom lashes. And now I'm going to go in with this Stila Glitter and Glow in the color Sea Siren. This is just a nice pinky purple glittery color, and just using a little tiny lip brush, I'm just going to put some of this on my inner corners. Okay, so just a tiny little bit on my inner corners with that, but I really like the way it looks. Just adds a little bit of pink into the look. Okay, now I'm going to go back into this palette, into this color right here, Sky Candy, and I'm just gonna be using that as a blush today. Ooh, okay, a little bit goes a long way with that. I'm pretty sure that that is meant to be an eyeshadow. Just the way that it applied, I don't know if it's meant to be a blush. It does have a lot of shimmer in it, so it's kind of like a highlight, like a glowing highlight as well. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this color up here called Dream Dust, and this looks like a nude shimmer, so I'm hoping that it might make a nice highlight. It is listed as a frost on the packaging, so hopefully it'll have a little bit of glow in it. A little. Definitely not a blinding highlight, but there's a little glow there. Lastly, we have lips. This did come with 2 liquid lipsticks. One is a turquoisey blue color, and then this other one is a bright baby doll pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch both of these for you guys, just so you get an idea. The blue one is called Kiki, and the pink one is called Lala, and I'll give my thoughts on these. We'll do the blue one first. Hopefully it doesn't stain my lips too bad. Oh my god, these smell so good. Oh, it's the Sugarpill Signature Creamsicle scent. Oh my god, the scent in these are so strong, like in a good way. Oh man, it's so nice. Alright, so here is the first color. This is Kiki. I really love the applicator doe foot on these. They are shaped like this. They come to a point, so they hold a lot of product in the base, and then the tip on it makes it so you can get like a nice sharp line. So I really love the way that this applied. As you guys may have seen, I only had to dip in just once. The formula was moussey, so not too thin, but doesn't feel cakey either. This color is slightly patchy, I will say. I did have to kind of finesse it around a little bit. It looks like, yeah, there is some shimmer in this, which I didn't notice when I first had it on. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, I like this color a whole lot more than I was about to say that I did. I was about to say that this color is not really my cup of tea, but as you wear it and press on it, a gold sheen comes out of it. That is so cool, wow. And the more that you do it, the more that color comes out. Wow, can you guys see that? That is so cool. I don't know if you can tell with the tube or not. So the tube is kind of that flat turquoise color, but the lips now have this gold sheen. That is really cool. All right, so here's the pink color. This one is called Lala. As you guys can see, I did have to go in twice with this one. This color is a lot more sheer than the teal one was. And that one was kind of patchy as well. Like I had to kind of finesse it around, but this one I had to actually dip in again because it was very sheer. I'm gonna let this dry down just a little bit more and then see if we can kind of press into this and see if it still has that same gold sheen that the other one did. Okay, so this looks like it has a little bit of gold micro glitter in it. So actually it's a little bit of a different gold sheen than the blue had. I don't know if you guys can see that or not or tell, but yeah, I pressed on it and little tiny flecks of gold glitter. The color of it reminds me of like a true Barbie pink also. Okay, next up to finish off this look, I'm gonna go in with the Milk Star Stamp, and I'm just gonna put a little star beauty mark on my face, and then I'm gonna fill in that star with Urban Decay's gold liquid liner in the color Eldorado. So hopefully we should end up with a little gold star right there. And there is that gold little star. Can you guys see that? All right guys, I think that wraps up the makeup look today. I think overall I still achieved what I was trying to do today. Of course, I was inspired by the packaging today. I wanted to do a pink and a blue look, and I think at the end of the day we did do that with the help of a few other items. I was hoping that we were just going to be able to go in and only use this palette, but unfortunately, the shadows just didn't perform the way that I thought that they would. They didn't perform up to the standard of what I'm used to from Sugarpill shadows. So that was a little bit shocking, to be quite honest. I mean, based off of what I saw with this palette today, would I purchase this palette again? I don't think that I would. I mean, it did come with this cute little bag as well, which is adorable, but I don't know. I mean, I don't think, knowing now how these shadows perform, I don't think I'm probably going to be reaching for this. Also, with these colors, I did feel like they were also pretty sheer. So I guess that's my thoughts on this entire review today is, you know, the pigmentation just wasn't up to Sugarpill standards on this. So I'm really sorry to say that, because Sugarpill is one of my favorite makeup brands. This will not deter me from buying anything from them in the future, because I love them and I'm sure that this was just a fluke. I mean, I've never had this experience with them ever. So, alright guys, I think that's just about it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. That way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And you can also follow me if you'd like on Instagram. I'm at Sargent Pepper. And I guess that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!